Hello people, in this video I want to talk about how the Internet of Things can be applied in the commerce. For the first, I will introduce myself. My name is Gregorius Chrisna M and you can call me Greg. I come from Kediri, East Java, and my student number is 17070-244. And then, I want to say thank you to my lecturer, my Bening, who gave us a lecture about English for specific purpose. And the second one are my parent and my sister, who always to support me. And then I want to say thank you to all my friends who always support me to complete this video. Okay, next I will talk about how the Internet of Things can be applied in the commerce. First, I will introduce what is IoT. The Internet of Things is a concept where certain objects have the ability to transfer data over the network without the need for interaction from human to human or from human to computer device. This IoT has grown rapidly starting from the convergence of wireless technology, microelectromechanical system, and the internet. This IoT is also often identified with RFID as a method of communication. Even so, IoT can also include other sensor technologies such as wireless technologies and QR code that we find around us. And then, what are the capabilities of IoT? As for the ability of various examples for sharing data, being a remote control, and many others, actually, its function included also being applied to objects that exist in the real world around us. Examples are processing food, electronics, and various machines or other technology, all of which are connected to local and global network through sensors that are embedded and always active. So, simply the term Internet of Things refers to a machine or tool that can be identified as a virtual representation in its internet-based structure. So, how does the Internet of Things work? Actually, IoT works by utilizing a programming argument where each command argument can produce an interaction between machines that have been connected automatically without human intervention and without any distance. So, the internet here is the link between the two machines' interaction. Then, human in IoT only the task of regulating and controlling the machines that work directly. The biggest challenge that can be a barrier in configuring IoT is how complex its own communication network. This is actually because the network is very complex. In addition, IoT also really needs a very tight security system. Besides this problem, the cost of expensive IoT development is also often the cause of failure. In the end, the manufacture and development can end in production failure. There are a number of basic elements of IoT forming, including artificial intelligence, connected device, sensor, active involvement, and the use of small devices. The first is artificial intelligence or AI. IoT makes almost all existing machines become smart. This means that IoT can improve all aspects of our lives by developing technology based on AI. So, in existing technology development is done by data collection, artificial intelligence, algorithm, and available network. The second is connectivity. In IoT, it is possible to create or open new network and special IoT network. So this network is no longer only tied to its main provider. The network doesn't have to be large and expensive. It can be available on a much smaller and cheaper scale. IoT can create the small networks between system devices. The third is sensor. The sensor is a differentiator that makes IoT unique compared to other sophisticated machines. This sensor is able to define instruments, which change IoT from standard networks and tend to be passive in device to become an active system that is able to be integrated into the real world of our daily lives. The fourth is active engagement. Engagement that is often applied to technology generally includes passivity. This IoT introduces a new paradigm for active content, products, and service involvement. And the last is small-sized devices. Devices, as technology experts have predicated, have indeed become smaller, cheaper, and more powerful over time. IoT utilizes small devices made specially to produce precision, scalability, and good flexibility. And then, the example of using IoT in commerce is Amazon Go. Amazon Go is a store created by Amazon. There are no human cashier, only cameras and automation technologies to process transactions. So customers only need to have the application that their account has created and have entered the payment method in the application. Then, before entering Amazon Go, customer must scan the QR code available there. This QR code functions like a business card that inserts information into the system that the customer is in Amazon Go. Then, the customer can shop as usual. Only by taking the desired product, it will automatically enter into the purchase basket on the application on the smartphone. If you want to cancel the purchase, just by returning it, automatically the product will disappear from the basket in the application. When you have finished shopping, customer only need to exit from Amazon Go and automatically payments are made to the application and the receipt will be sent through the application. It is pretty easy not shopping at Amazon Go. Amazon Go works by relying on the Internet of Things to synergize thousands of cameras, sensors, AI, image recognitions, and location-based service applications. After you scan the QR code at the entrance, there are thousands of cameras in the store that monitor your movements and can find out exactly what items you take. Cameras equipped with artificial intelligence help the system identify you and watch where you move. On the shelves, thousands of LiDAR sensors have also been installed that are also connected to the system and have inputted item information of each shelf. What is remarkable is how Amazon is able to provide information movements from sensors, cameras, and then processed by AI so that data can be delivered in real time and has minimal errors. As for automatic payment technology, when visitors leave the store, Amazon call it just walk out. The second example is Okado. Okado is an English online supermarket. In contrast to its main competitors, the company has no chain of stores and does all home deliveries from its warehouses. When Okado launched its automated packing service in February 2016, it was the largest of its kind. Using a warehouse control system, Okado has been able to control and coordinate the movements of millions of grocery stores items and thus accelerate the bagging process when an online order is made. Over 1,000 robots can offer thousands of crates containing a selection of 47,000 items. It's an insight to the hidden, highly choreographed systems that are working furiously to fulfill our appetite for fast, accurately timed deliveries, and points to one of the most impactful use of IoT technologies. And the third example is the Dandy Lab. The Dandy Lab is a startup from London. The startup created a pop-up designed to deliver a highly connected consumer journey. The store used sensors, Wi-Fi routers, and data analytics from Cisco to connect the dots. A flat screen is connected to a near-field communication, as usual called NFC, terminal for an instant readout. Table screens were embedded into shelving, a styling wall was connected to a webcam, and a Cisco DX70 video conferencing system enabled customers and staff to communicate directly with product manufacturers and suppliers about design and alternation. Through Cisco's Connected Mobile Experiences analytic package, the Dandy Lab could deduce how many passers-by came into store via Wi-Fi signal. From this example, IoT is very useful in the world of industry and commerce. Here are some benefits when implementing IoT. First is for maintenance. Automation of care using technologies such as installing sensor on equipment providers a number of benefits. This can increase situational awareness of plant operations and equipment conditions in real time. Maintenance information in a concise view can be seen by staff through the dashboard with real-time measurement of performance and time. This can provide automatic warnings such as early warnings so that staff have enough time to act and prevent more serious disturbances. And if manufacturers have adopted further concepts such as a predictive maintenance, improving analytic function will affect performance, output, and efficiency. And second is downtime. When identifying potential problems before they occur, IoT can minimize and even eliminate downtime, especially those that can affect product quality and very high replacement cost for the engine. The third is production efficiency. With overall equipment effectiveness and total effective equipment performance facilities, IoT can help create increased production and long-term savings. The fourth is failure rates. There is no commensurate production efficiency if the product fails and must be withdrawn. Through the use of IoT in maintenance, the team can focus on recognizing potential problems before engine damage begins. The fifth is intrusiveness. Preventive maintenance can involve dismantling or reinstalling the machines, which can weaken the system and increase the potential for interference. IoT can facilitate predicted maintenance, see system problems or the condition of a component in real time without affecting system and machine life. The sixth is monitoring. IoT will help monitor workers to mitigate risks. By connecting employees with wearable devices, companies can greater visibility into their work locations. In hazardous conditions, the company can monitor the health, location, and property of each worker to ensure its safety. The seventh is boundaries. IoT demolish the boundaries between customers and companies with data provided by connected devices. And by utilizing that data into business needs, companies can make the best discussion and encourage new innovation that are in accordance with customer demand. 8 is reducing waste. IoT makes the repair area clear. Current analysis gives us superficial insight, but IoT provides real-world information relating to more effective resource management. The 9th is reducing human error. IoT makes costs cheaper, minimizes risk in building, and simplifying using technology. However, IoT makes the system work alone in managing any device, so that human involvement is minimized to avoid the occurrence of human error. And the last is real-time insights. IoT will help get real-time insights from connected assets. By tracking assets in real time from any device, business can understand where their assets are and how they are performing. know that IoT is very important in commerce. Besides being important in e-commerce, other fields such as manufacturing, health, agriculture, automotive, urban planning, and etc. Various types of industries in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 affected by IoT. This certainly has a good impact because the industry can be more effective in carrying out its production activities. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Like if you like this video and dislike if you dislike this video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.